those old screens are too ugly, broken, and you want to replace them. So I'm going to show you the steps that you can take to replace the screens of your windows. So nice fresh air comes in. This is the spline. You have to check the gauge that you need for that. That is like a little rubber rope that you will put around, and this is the tool that you're going to use to install it with. So it has different type of thicknesses, and I'll show you in a moment. Also, you can pick up the same type of screen or something that will block the sun a little bit more. That's something you can get at the store. So you want to make sure that you have a nice flat surface where you can work with your frame, and you remove the old spline. Sometimes you are able to use the existing spline or the little rubber rope that is around to install your new screen. But you want to make sure that you remove it. If it's too old, obviously you need to buy new ones, and you can buy them at the home improvement store. So remove them. If you need to make a brand new frame, I also have some videos where I teach you how to make that frame really easy. So you want to take the screen and place it nice and gently on top of it. You don't want to put any type of pressure on it. The pressure wants to be given by the force that you're going to put the little tool with into the spline. So if you notice, I'm putting just a little bit of a pressure over here so I can create a small dentation into the screen so I can put the spline in. Now, an important part of the project is also to make sure that your surface or your frame is nice and straight. If it's not straight, you may want to replace it for a new one. So if you notice, I'm putting some pressure into it, and that's because I want to make sure that it goes in correctly. If you have something that is too thick, the spline is too thick or too loose, it's not going to work really well. So you want to make sure that you find it depending on the manufacturer. There are not that many kinds. So if you notice, I'm putting a lot of pressure around, but on top of it, not on the screen. The screen, you want to make sure that it kind of rests on top nice and gently. I may put a little bit of force on the screen just by using the tool to actually pressure the spline into it, but that's it. And if you are missing a little section, you can actually cut some more of the spline and just install it back again. Like in this case, I was missing just a few inches, and I went ahead and cut that little piece and install it. Look how cool it looks like. Now, an important part of it is that you want to remove the excess amount of screen that is around there, and what you want to do is just cut it in an angle on the outside. Obviously, you want to do it carefully. I'm speeding up the video so it's not that long, and you can just go ahead and do your projects. See, now you don't have to pay a lot of people to do this. It's so simple, anybody can do it. That's why I like to do all these videos. And the only gift that I want from you is the little thumbs up, and maybe share it. Comment if this video will help you to do your projects. That way you will make me happy, and a lot of people will benefit from the video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow my channel, hit the little notification bell, and obviously like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.